Hello YouTube viewers, thank you for tuning into my channel today, and today I want to share with you this label maker that I bought. It's a Brother label maker, and the cartridge that it takes is 24mm, the TZ tape, and you can see it right there, and that's black and white, and this is how they come out. But you can change the font. You can change it to a little smaller or a little bigger. And I want to label this box. I know it already has a little tab area there, but just to show you how these look. Right now in this box I have some, mainly what I keep here is like napkin rings. See? Napkin rings and curtain hooks. So I want to create a label that says that. So I'm going to show you, this takes 6 AA batteries. It has the compartment in the back. It has the adapter. It's plugged. And it's a P-Touch, Brother P-Touch. So it's very easy to work, to use. So you're going to be turning it on here, right there. So it turned on and it says create your label. So you can start as soon as you press a key. You're going to start creating it. So I want to label it napkin rings and hooks. Napkin rings and hooks. So here we go. First of all, see right here, scale zoom. I'm going to press that so that you can see what's happening. So I'm pressing it now. Okay. See how it gets bigger? The screen gets bigger or smaller. See? The letters either get bigger or smaller, but I want it this size, so I'm gonna leave it like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna label it napkin rings. Space. You have your space. It's just like a keyboard, like your typewriter, the old typewriter, or your computer, whatever. Napkin, space, ring. Rings, napkin rings. So you got napkin rings, and I'm just going to put napkin rings just to show you. So I'm going to print it out, hit print right there. And then see it come out. It's going to come out through here. And it cuts it off right by itself. You don't even need to press anything or... Okay, so now let me place it right here. So you got your napkin ring. So if you look in the back, it has like a crease right there, and that's where you take the adhesive off. See how nice it came out like that? So you don't have to be frustrated finding where to take the adhesive off. So this is what you got. Now it's all sticky, but I'm going to place it where I want, and I'll show you in a minute. So it's gonna be like right there. This is where I want it. See? And if it's a little too long on the edges, you just fold it or cut it. So that's it. So I labeled my box napkin rings. I have hooks in there too, but this is just to show you. This is a very good Brother P-Touch. So I think I paid, how much did I pay for it? It was like 50 something, I think it was. But they range in different prices. So you could find more expensive ones and cheaper ones. But I think this is a good one. It's not too big, It works well for me. And I have a lot of stuff that I want to label because I'm organizing my closet, my supply closet. That's where I keep all the miniature dollhouse material. So anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope if you need a label maker, maybe this one is good for you. Okay? Thanks for watching.